What's your full name? How do you spell that? What's your full name? How do you spell that? Qui tout nom? Qui jan l'appelé? Qui tout nom? Qui jan l'appelé? Who chose your name? Why? Who chose your name? Why? Qui moun qui te choisi non? Pour qui ça? Qui moun qui te choisi non? Pour qui ça? Where were you born? Where were you born? Qui côté ou te fait? Qui côté ou te fait? Are you the first child? Are you the first child? C'est ou qui premier petit? C'est ou qui premier petit? Are you the first child? Are you the first child? C'est ou qui premier petit? C'est ou qui premier petit? Are you the second child? Are you the second child? Ou c'est deuxième petit? Ou c'est deuxième petit? Are you the fifth child? Are you the fifth child? Est-ce que c'est ou qui cinquième petit? Est-ce que c'est ou qui cinquième petit? Do you have any older brothers? Do you have any older brothers? Ou gen grand frère? Ou gen grand frère? Do you have any older sisters? Do you have any older sisters? Ou gen grand sœur? Ou gen grand sœur? Do you have any younger siblings? Do you have any younger siblings? Ou gen ti frère ak sœur? Ou gen ti frère ak sœur? Where did you grow up? Is that a city, village, or suburb? Where did you grow up? Is that a city, village, or suburb? Ki kote ou leve? Ça c'est yon ville, yon village ou bien yon andeyo? Ki kote ou leve? Ça c'est yon ville, yon village ou bien yon andeyo? How would you describe yourself as a child? Why? How would you describe yourself as a child? Why? Ki jon ta ka dekri ou lo te timoun? Pou ki sa? Ki jon ta ka dekri ou lo te timoun? Pou ki sa? When did you decide to move to your current place? Why? When did you decide to move to your current place? Why? When did you decide to move to your current place? Why? Ki lo te deside demenaje vin koto wap viv la kounye ya? Pou ki sa? Ki lo te deside demenaje vin kote wap viv la kounye ya? Pou ki sa? How long have you been in Haiti? How long have you been in Haiti? How long have you been in Haiti? Depi ki lo an Haiti? Depi ki lo an Haiti? How long have you been in the United States? How long have you been in the United States? Depi ki lo nan peyi Etazini? Depi ki lo nan peyi Etazini? Did you move here by yourself? Did you move here by yourself? Ou te deplase vin isit la pou kontou? Ou te deplase vin isit la pou kontou? How was the trip? How was the trip? Ki jan voyaj la te ye? Ki jan voyaj la te ye? What passions did you bring with you? What passions did you bring with you? Avec ki passion te vini? Avec ki passion te vini? Why did you choose these objects? Why did you choose these objects? Pou ki sa te chwazi objet sa yo? Pou ki sa te chwazi objet sa yo? Can you share some of your first impressions of Haiti or the US? Can you share some of your first impressions of Haiti or the US? Ou ka pataje kek nan premye impresyon yo de Haiti ou bien de Etats-Unis? Ou ka pataje kek nan premye impresyon yo de Haiti ou bien de Etats-Unis? Do you have a favorite color? Why? Do you have a favorite color? Why? Ou gen yon koule prefere? Pou ki sa? Ou gen yon koule prefere? Pou ki sa? Do you have a favorite number? Why? Do you have a favorite number? Why? Ou gen yon numero prefere? Pou ki sa? Ou gen yon numero prefere? Pou ki sa? Do you have a favorite season? Why? Do you have a favorite season? Why? Ou gen yon saison prefere? Pou ki sa? Ou gen yon saison prefere? Pou ki sa? What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to? Ki kalite musique ou kontande? Ki kalite musique ou kontande? Do you have a favorite singer? Do you have a favorite singer? Ou gen yon chanteur préféré? Ou gen yon chanteur préféré? Do you have a favorite group? Do you have a favorite group? Ou gen yon groupe préféré? Ou gen yon groupe préféré? What's your favorite radio station or television channel? Why? What's your favorite radio station or television channel? Why? What's your favorite radio station or television channel? Why? Ki estasyon radyo ou bien chaîne télévision préférée ou? Pour qui ça? Ki estasyon radyo ou bien chaîne télévision préférée ou? Pour qui ça? Can you recommend any movies to rent or see? Can you recommend any movies to rent or see? Ou ka rekomande kek film pou louer ou bien pou gade? Ou ka rekomande kek film pou louer ou bien pou gade? Why do you like those films? Why do you like those films? Pou ki so reme film sa yo? Pou ki so reme film sa yo? What do you like to do outside? Why? What do you like to do outside? Why? Ki so reme fe deyo a? Pou ki sa? Ki so reme fe deyo a? Pou ki sa? Where do you walk, hike, jog, or bike on the weekends? Where do you walk, hike, jog, or bike on the weekends? Ki kote wal mache, flane, kouri ou bien monte bekan nan weekend yo? Ki kote wal mache, flane, kouri ou bien monte bekan nan weekend yo? What's your favorite sport? Why? What's your favorite sport? Why? Ki e sport prefere yo? Pou ki sa? Ki e sport prefere yo? Pou ki sa? How do you like to spend your free time? What interests you? How do you like to spend your free time? What interests you? Ki jon reme pase tan libre? Ki sa ki interese ou? Ki jon reme pase tan libre? Ki sa ki interese ou? Do you have a hobby? How long have you been enjoyed it? Do you have a hobby? How long have you been enjoyed it? Ou gen yo pastan? Depi ki le wap enjoy li? Ou gen yo pastan? Depi ki le wap enjoy li? How many languages can you speak? How many languages can you speak? Combien lang ou ka pale? Combien lang ou ka pale? How long have you studied English? Where? How long have you studied English? Where? How long have you studied English? Where? Depi ki le wap etidye anglè? Ki kote? Depi ki le wap etidye anglè? Ki kote? How long have you studied Haitian Creole? Where? How long have you studied Haitian Creole? Where? Depi ki le wap etidye Creole Haitien? Ki bo? Depi ki le wap etidye Creole Haitien? Ki bo? Where do you usually speak English? Where do you usually speak English? Ki koto kon abitye pale anglè? Ki koto kon abitye pale anglè? Where do you usually speak Haitian Creole? Where do you usually speak Haitian Creole? Ki bo kon abitye pale Creole Haitien? Ki bo kon abitye pale Creole Haitien? Who do you usually talk with? Who do you usually talk with? A ki yes ou kon abitye pale? A ki yes ou kon abitye pale? What's your best language? What's your best language? Ki pi bon langu? Ki pi bon langu? Where do you usually speak it? Why? Where do you usually speak it? Why? Ki koto kon abitye palel? Pou ki sa? Ki koto kon abitye palel? Pou ki sa? What makes you smile? What makes you smile? Ki sa ki fè ou souri? Ki sa ki fè ou souri? Where do you feel most comfortable? Where do you feel most comfortable? Ki bo santi ou pi alez? Ki bo santi ou pi alez? What are some things that might cause you frown? What are some things that might cause you frown? Ki kek bagay ki ka fè ou mare kat pli nan frown? Ki kek bagay ki ka fè ou mare kat pli nan frown? Do you have a favorite English word or expression? Why? Do you have a favorite English word or expression? Why? Ou gen yon mot ou bien yon ekspresyon anglè préféré? Pou ki sa? Ou gen yon mot ou bien yon ekspresyon anglè préféré? Pou ki sa? Do you have a favorite Haitian Creole word or expression? Why? Do you have a favorite Haitian Creole word or expression? Why? Ou gen yon mot ou bien yon ekspresyon Creole préféré? Pou ki sa? Ou gen yon mot ou bien yon ekspresyon Creole préféré? Pou ki sa? What are your goals for this year? Why? What are your goals for this year? Why? Ki objektif ou pou ane sa? Pou ki sa? Ki objektif ou pou ane sa? Pou ki sa? What's your plan? What's your plan? Ki plan? Ki plan? How would your friends describe you? What would you add? How would your friends describe you? What would you add? Ki jan zanmi yo tap dekri ou? Ki sa tap ajoute? Ki jan zanmi yo tap dekri ou? Ki sort of ajoute. What are three things that you appreciate about living in the United States? What are three things that you appreciate about living in the United States? Ki 3 bagay ou apresye nan viv nan peyi Etazini? Ki 3 bagay ou apresye nan viv nan peyi Etazini?